As the most trusted name in bolting, HYTORC stepped up to the challenge when customers requested help managing tool inventories. The solution, called TorcSafe, is a complete online asset management system designed to track tools and keep calibrations up to date. The TorcSafe portal provides a secure login for each customer so that inventory data is protected at all times. The dashboard highlights tool calibration status, including certificates expired or about to expire. The system provides a breakdown for tools, pumps, gauges, and related equipment. The user can drill down for details, search the inventory, and quickly add certificate records. Using the TorcSafe portal, a user can quickly create a new equipment record. Simply select Add New Equipment from the dashboard and enter the details. The portal is not just for HYTORC tools. TorcSafe allows users to enter all other manufacturers' tools and equipment records as well. When a customer contacts HYTORC for support, an authorized repair technician will quickly be scheduled for on-site service. TorcSafe helps keep equipment in excellent working condition and calibrated for use. HYTORC can arrange for loaner tools while equipment is being serviced. Technicians can attach QR codes to the tools, which are accessible by any mobile device. To add a calibration certificate, select Add New Calibration Certificate. Once added, certificates can be searched, viewed, downloaded, and printed. Inventory records may be exported to an Excel file at any time. TorcSafe gives you total control of your assets. Contact your HYTORC representative to get started with TorcSafe today.